Knowledge 9. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Muslims often complain about feeling disconnected from Allah, the Exalted, even though they attend religious gatherings and listen to religious lectures. One of the main reasons this occurs is because they have adopted the incorrect attitude which contradicts the attitude of the righteous predecessors. They take part in these activities looking for lawful entertainment. They do not intend to seek and act upon beneficial knowledge in order to increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, which leads to the closeness of Allah, the Exalted. This was the attitude of the righteous predecessors, who only intended the closeness of Allah, the Exalted, in all their activities. A good way to determine whether one is acting with the right attitude is by assessing themselves after taking part in the activity. If they gained useful knowledge or were reminded of useful knowledge which inspires them to increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, then it is useful. If this does not occur, then either the religious gathering or lecture has a fault in it, or the listener has a fault in their intention. Either way, they have not fulfilled the main purpose of religious gatherings or lectures. A Muslim should avoid gatherings and lectures which concentrate more on entertainment, such as telling stories which may fascinate the crowd, but have no beneficial lessons in them. Only through attending the correct gatherings with the correct intention will a Muslim achieve the closeness of Allah, the Exalted. Otherwise they are merely taking part in gatherings of entertainment which will not improve their character, nor will they increase them in the obedience and closeness of Allah, the Exalted.